What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Galaxy S9 Plus. And I want to thank the folks over at Whitestone Dome for sending this over. And I just wanted to do a install and show you how this looks on the Galaxy S9 Plus. This is probably the best tempered glass screen protector on the market. It's a step-by-step installation. Make sure you watch this whole video. Make sure you look at all the directions and instructions, because it is a easy thing to install if you follow step by step. If you skip some steps, then you're gonna have some boo-boos. So let's take a look. All right, now Whitestone Dome gives you pretty extensive materials to install this tempered glass screen protector, and I think they're one of the best at supplying the materials for putting this on. As you see, you have your little cradle that you're going to place your device in. You lay it in there. You also have these adhesives for the tempered glass. They give you an extra one just in case. You also have to cover up your speakers, or the top and bottom of your device. Then you got some, dust remover. You got some alcohol wipes to clean down your screen, some absorbent tabs here. You also have, this is very important, your instructions. Make sure you read this step by step. Don't skip anything. Obviously you have your tempered glass, some microfiber cloths, and this is important too. This is the UV light that'll dry your screen protector on there, and this is the cable so that you can power that on. All right, the first thing you want to do is you obviously want to clean down your device. You take that microfiber cloth, wipe it down real good, and I suggest that you turn the phone off. So you go ahead and wipe that down. Take your alcohol swab here and wipe down your whole device nice and good. This is pretty much a fresh install. I just unboxed this, so I wanted to do this right away. You take that, dry that off, get everything off real nice. And then you want to take your dust remover stickers right here, these puppies right here. Yes sir, these come in handy because they'll take all the dust off. You can use masking tape too, just depends what you have, but they already give you this, so you might as well use it just to get any dust off. All right, the next step you want to do after you clean it off is you want to put these little absorbent pads here on the side. Put one here like that, and then you want to place your device in here like so. Make sure it's in there real good. Then you want to give it a nice little wipe down again to make sure there's no dust or any particles on there. Everything off there. Use your dust remover tool. Now when you're doing this, make sure you're on a level surface, because you have to tilt this when you're applying the adhesive, and I'll show you how that goes here in a sec. All right, the next step you want to do is you want to put this little sticker goes on top of the S9. They give you 2 of these, so in case you mess up. Some devices come with a top and bottom that you have to cover, like the Pixel 2 XL, but on the S9 Plus there's only one thing you have to cover on the top. So you go ahead and put that on the top there. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to put your cradle back together. So you put this on top here, like so. Okay. You want to put on your little bridge. Goes right there. Good to go. And then you don't want to forget this. This goes on the top here. And you want to put it all the way down. It slides right there, because that'll help you align the screen protector. Alright, now it's time to apply the adhesive. So you unscrew the purple cap. And you screw it in there. Okay, now you want to unscrew the bottom cap here and watch the adhesive come out. And you want to let all the adhesive come out for about 30 seconds or so. Just make sure it comes out completely. Alright, after the adhesive has come out of the pin, you want to remove your bridge. Like so, very carefully. Put that to the side. Then you want to grab your tempered glass here, and you want to peel off the back of it. Like so, don't touch the back. And then you're going to place it down in here. Like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tilt it so all the adhesive goes to the middle. And then you're going to pull the tab to the middle, and then boom. And then what you want to do is just let all that adhesive run through the whole device. Sometimes it's quicker than other times. Maybe it's 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. But just make sure that it runs through the whole device. Alright, the next thing you want to do is you want to grab a UV light, and you want to turn it on. And then slap this bad boy on here on the top for 15 seconds on the top, and then 15 seconds on the bottom. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to take it out of the cradle, and then you want to wipe it down. So you simply just pull off the cradle, stick your finger in here, there's a little sliver, pull off your little speaker cap there, then wipe the top and the sides like so. Then you're simply going to place it here like so, and then you're going to hit your light again, 60 seconds on the top and 60 seconds on the bottom to do the final curing. Alright, after you do 60 seconds on the top, 60 seconds on the bottom, you could also do in the middle if you want. You simply just wipe down your device like so. And what I would recommend is I would recommend doing this, you know, at night. And then after you're done, just let it sit overnight. And then you could slap a case on it and be good to go. Because you don't want it to come up accidentally. And that's it, man. That's the Whitestone Dome tempered glass for the Galaxy S9. Man, it came out nice. That is really, really good. It's the best tempered glass on the market. You get what you pay for. That'll do it, man. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, Instagram, Google Plus, and Facebook. And it's the same application for the S9, so you can get either or. But hit them up, man. Whitestone Dome. Nice. Keep it moving.